Very good morning to you guys. Today I'm actually going to Wish FM, which is a radio station in Wigan, and I'm going recording like a little 30-second advertisement for a company I'm working with. I've got 30 seconds to talk over the music, and I've got a 1 hour slot whilst I'm in Wish FM studios. Okay, catch up with you in a bit. Good lads using dust suppression. Well, we're here now at Wish FM studios. I'm 30 minutes early, so I get a bit more chance to rehearse what I'm going to say, and then I have to go in and start recording. So, I'll see you inside.
Yeah, there that. Hi guys. Yeah, got it.
Job done. Well, that was pretty cool. It was in and out in literally 5 minutes. It's only a 30-second script, but I got it in the first couple of takes, so yeah, that was interesting. That's the first time I've ever been inside a radio station, so that was dead cool. The microphone was dead clear, and yeah, that was good. So it's the house that Jack built. Those are the two windows we fitted yesterday, but they were a real pain in the bottom. We had to make them the same size, but underneath we had to adjust it. All this is being rendered, all this, because look at some of the brickwork. It's absolutely frightening. Yeah, so we had to put a split underneath here, just to run them same inside, because they're having a nice kitchen inside, and they don't want any unevenness. That stone's been taken off. There's a window up there we need to adjust, bring that down. Here's how we're looking from inside. As you can see as well, guys, quite low these windows, so what you have to do if it's below 700 from the finished floor, all your glass has to be toughened as a safety measure. Okay, so we've done that there. I mean, some of the people comment on these videos with the windows, and they don't realise I've been doing the job 20 years. So here's the bathroom. We're just bringing this in a brick. Yeah. I'm just saying, just took all the glass out and there's no screws up the side at all. No fixings. There's none at the top as well, so not naming any names, but
A firm's done it.
Can't be that safe. But anyway, it's not fell out or anything. And the plasterer was here yesterday in this room. He's done a cracking job. Not straightforward for a plasterer. There's no in every room there's like curves and stuff. So he's done a good job. What do you reckon, Gaz? Would you like to take on this job?
Sharing your days and your nights, burning up as we get it right. My all time.
Oh, see, even in this room, look at this for a plasterer's job. No, everything's curved.
Dreaming of a dream, holding on to you, fairy tale, no, your freckles put a smile.
Look at that, there must be a tube of silicone there. Unbelievable. She's out. Right, now as I said, we're dropping this down, only so far. None of them, I don't know what the hell was all that about. Just put them in dry. Unbelievable.
Sharing your days and your nights, burning up as we.
That's what you call a builder's brew table. All the patio's been done out there. Nice Indian stone. Just gonna get the sill cut now, guys. Prepped everything. She's in. Yeah, so a little bit gutted about the tyre power clutch release bearing has failed, so I'm gonna have to get a new clutch system because they have to drop the clutch. So it's done 100,000 miles, it needs doing anyway, so that's 300 quid plus VAT fitted. I admire his hustle. It's raining and he's out there grafting in his ice cream van. Respect. Come for a nice meal at the Miller and Carter in Barble. It's really good eating.
As we get it right, my heart tight. My sweet.
Here's the next window. Right, so what we're doing, cutting all these halves out so we can do their bricks in there as best we can. Going to use some old bricks that the owner's got for this. And we're just going to brick in. As you can see, we've toothed everything out now, guys, all sorted. Just working everything out dry, and then I cut our sill. So I think that'll do us. We'll work our bond from there. That gives us a 990 sill. I'll cut the sill at 990. I think the window's 985. I'm having to cut the plaster line back again this side. I tried the window in here. It's okay this side because the window can go back there, you see. Right. But this side, the plaster line was to about here. So I've had to chop it all back again. Oh, man.
Maybe I won't always be standing tall. Maybe sometimes you feel like not caring at all.
Yeah, I'll show you this Indian stone in the back here. Done a cracking job. Bricky called Cliff. That's some area, isn't it?
Been waiting for someone like you. It's you.
Alright then guys, so before I start, I just want to say that it's being rendered, it's not a beauty contest, so we're going to do it freehand. Let's see how we get on.
It's you. Making me feel I've been waiting for someone like you. As long as you just hold me with your strong and loving arm, you'll never see me wonder. 'Cause I know that it's you, and you're making me feel like it's you. It's you. Been waiting for someone like you. It's you.
Like I said, it's not a beauty contest, it's being rendered, so not a bad job.
Like you. It's you.
That's how we're looking inside.
Me feel I've been waiting for someone like you.
All glazed up now. Gonna go outside and start sealing these other side up.
Me feel I've been waiting for someone like you. Never thought I'd ever feel this way, and never thought I'd ever get to say that it's you. Yeah, it's you. It's you. It's you.
Right then guys, well I've cleaned up there and I've finished for now. We've got 3 more windows to fit on this job, the fills, and then we're done. But for now, it's Thursday and we've finished. Alright, just a bit of cleaning up to do tomorrow. Alright, thanks for joining us guys. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
It's you.